Okay, put one more. Don't knock it over here. There's the orange one. Put it very slow and gentle, honey. Very slow and gentle.
I'm get your glove.
No, don't get your glove. It'll knock everything down. And try again. Do the
glove.
No, do the marbles again, honey. Gentle and slow. Gentle and slow. Cool.
I'm gonna get your glove.
Okay, you can get your glove.
I'm gonna stack them. I'm gonna stack them.
Do what you like, honey.
They fall down.
They fell down. You got your you got your glove.
I'm gonna look out the window.
Want to look out the window?
Oh, yeah.
With your glove? What do you see?
Hi.
What do you see?
A window.
A window?
Yeah.
What do you see out the window, honey?
Some cars.
Some cars? Anything else?
Yeah, some people.
Some people?
Some cars.
What do you see in the sky?
Some clouds.
Some clouds.
Some TV. Some TV.
See the TV in the sky?
Yeah.
You see any birdies?
Yeah.